Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at YourPedia. Today in this video I am going to discuss the interview preparation strategy for THDC Electrical Engineer Interview Preparation. THDC given its candidates list for the interview. Yes, this is the list. So list of provisionally shortlisted candidates for group discussion and personal interview for the post of Engineer Trainee Electrical. So here he mentioned that is group discussion and a personal interview. In group discussion, yes, that is a separate thing, and it is going to have a weightage of 10%, but whereas personal interview is going to comprise 15%. In that, electrical is also very important. You are going to be an electrical engineer at THDC, one of the responsible position and one of the respectful position. So preparation for interview is very important. See, and I can say interview will be the deciding factor once, why? Because already all these candidates with whose names are mentioned here, they are eligible. All these people are eligible for the, I can say, job. But those who perform well in the interview, they only are going to be selected finally. So it's going to be very important. You are already done very well in your examination, and those who are done with the examination, yes, they have good concepts, but the way questions asked in I can say written examination are very much different from the interview questions. So interviewer is going to ask the questions in such a way that whether you really understood the concept, you learned the concept, or just you remember the concept, that outcome is going to come in the interview. So that way questions will be prepared by the interviewer. The important subjects for this THDC interview preparation for electrical engineers are obviously power system. In power system, especially power generation, hydel part is important, and nuclear part is also important, and I can say thermal part is important, and after that distribution, power distribution, transmission, and some part of load flow studies, and a little bit of I can say fault analysis and stability analysis, especially power system protection. Yes, power system protection, relays and circuit breakers, very important. Relays and circuit breakers is about CT and PT, current transformer, mainly CT, very important, and that is about power system. And after that, next subject is electrical machine. In electrical machine, especially transformer and synchronous generator, alternator, very important. Then after that, you go for induction and DC. Power electronics. In power electronics, power electronic devices, commutation circuits, choppers, AC to DC converters, DC to AC, AC to AC. So these converters, basics are very important. Why? Because if you are an electrical engineer at THDC, you are going to work with various electrical equipments. Every generating station is going to have generators, transformers, right, relays, circuit breakers, and power electronic converters, CT, PT. So all these, you are going to work with all these equipments, right? And if you are going to, there will be substations. There will be a substation, step-up substation for every generating station. Why? Because generation is going to take place at low voltage. That is going to be step up. That voltage is going to step up for the transmission. So you are going to work in substation. So having the basics of substation is also very important. So these are the important subjects: electrical machines, power systems, and power electronics, and a little bit of measurements. And having the basics of small analog electronics and digital circuits is also very important. Don't go in depth in analog and digital, but having the little basics of analog and digital is also very important. So if you prepare these subjects, and the preparation for interview is very much different from preparation of the written examination, as I told you. So YourPedia is having very good mentors, very vast experienced mentors who are going to take your snap interviews, and after that full mock interviews. The full mock interview will be same as that of I can say your actual interview. So join your hands with YourPedia to accelerate your preparation towards your THDC Electrical Engineering Interview Preparation. If you have any queries, you can call to the number that is given in the description, or just you log into YourPedia website and you can find number over there, or there will be inquiry form, or there will be Google form. You can fill it. You can find executive number. You can call, or there will be mail ID. You can mail. But the best simple process is to call the number which is mentioned in the description. Or if you have any doubts with respect to your preparation, call to this number. This is my number. I will be addressing all your queries. And one more important point to add: YourPedia made marathons, interview marathons. What is an interview marathon? Some 8 to 9 hours of content for each subject in the direction of interview preparation is made by YourPedia. So all those interview marathon videos are available for you at YourPedia. And one more thing, that is all previous interview questions will be shared to you. Just you can text to me. I will send you the documents of previous interview questions, okay, and previous mock interviews, previous snap interviews, and previous actual interviews also you can find on your panel once you join with YourPedia. So what is a panel? For you, a login ID and password will be given, and you are going to have your own dashboard on the YourPedia platform. There you are going to find all this stuff what I mentioned. So this way you have to prepare for the interview. Definitely you'll get success. Thank you. If you have any queries or any requirements, just please make a call or message to the mentioned number on the screen. Thank you.